Well, what is clear is that Zimbabwe has become totally a banana republic, where there is no rule of law, where there is no citizen protection and security, where citizens are subjected to human rights abuses. And what is clear is that these are blatant and brazen crimes against humanity. We have seen an escalation of these challenges. I mean, for the past year, we have been having challenges. We lost Mboneni Ngwe. We lost More Blessing Ali. We lost one of our comrades in Rwanda. We have continued to lose more comrades. We nearly lost Ngadzore. We lost Tinashe, I think in Glenora. You know, I can't remember the second. All these are indications of the challenges we have in the country. What is even shocking is that there is not a statement from government to convey condolences, to discourage this kind of tyranny and terror, to try and correct the settings of murder in the context of our politics. So culpability stands at the doorstep.